Dori Soukup here with another question of the week. This week's question came to us from Dr. Jamison. He's asking, where can I send my estheticians for advanced training? That's a great question. We have not had that question asked actually yet. So I'm so happy that you asked it. And I have the perfect answer for you. I have this friend and colleague. Her name is Jaclyn Peresetsky. And she has just launched a brand new university to help estheticians advance their education and become true experts at what they do. So I want to invite you to go and check it out. It's actually skinperfectuniversity.com. And there you'll find online educational courses, one-day courses, and actually you can send them to the university itself to learn and enhance their skills. But not only do they educate them on doing aesthetics, but they also have advanced education also for lashes, for makeup. As a matter of fact, Jaclyn also owns Color Me Perfect, which is an amazing makeup line that you should definitely bring into your place because it's totally unique. It has a beautiful experience attached to it. And I just love what she does. She's an entrepreneur, she's extremely innovative, and she knows exactly how to advance a business through education. She also owns few medical spas herself. So this woman does it all. She's as busy as I am, and that's why I love her so much. And I encourage you to go and check out her information and see how you can enhance your esthetician's performance through the education programs that they provide. So that again is skinperfectuniversity.com. She also has colormeperfect.com. So check them both out. Give Jaclyn a call and I'm sure she'll be able to help you. So if you also have a question, make sure you send it to info@inspirationmanagement.com so we can help answer your question as well. Hope you found this beneficial. Until next time, stay inspired.